guys! Today, in our private homeschool, let's explore with our senses and let's learn with your Voiceover friend Daddy. What is sensory learning? Sensory learning means using our senses to explore and understand the world around us. We learn by seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and tasting. Sense 1. Sight. We see with our eyes. We use our eyes to look at colors, shapes, animals, and people. Can you look around and point to something red or round? Sense 2. Hearing. We hear with our ears. We hear music, voices, birds, and clapping hands. What can you hear right now? Cover your ears and then listen again. What's different? Sense 3. Touch. We feel with our skin. We touch to feel if something is soft, hard, bumpy, or smooth. Can you touch something soft near you? Sense 4. Smell. We smell with our nose. We smell things like flowers, soap, food, and even stinky shoes. What's your favorite smell? Sense 5. Taste. We taste with our tongue. We taste things that are sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. What's your favorite food? Why do we use all our senses? Our senses help us learn, stay safe, and have fun. They help us discover new things every day. Guess the sense. Which sense do we use? That's right, it's the sense of hearing. Bye, thanks for learning. For more such videos, please subscribe. Bye.